serikali enene gosaba abasae basoasi chisukuru chia obobundi gose TVET erikonyora obomanyi nigo gosaba kwabekirwe boigo ime county ya Nyamira ase etaro ya Nsoko TV goika Nyamira National Polytechnic nigo boteneri bwa esukuru eyo batebere ng'a serikali enene nigo yakeiya chibesa ase chisukuru chia obobundi chionsi iga Kenya bune enchera eyemo yo gosaba abasae abange banyore obomanyi erio banyare ose erio bachikwerika boka emirimo buno Secretary Stephen Nyariki Mbunde uyokora etare eyo ariganire oroboti uruiga asubwagari
Nige segete ntindi yagenderere kobekwa gocha sabasae namono ase county ya Nyamira nekingangu erike bare na weso yase chikosi chobobundi ase chiskuru imeye county ya Nyamira ekero moroberio bukorikia haborokiwa ong'eire ase chinsemo chiskuru chobobundi nigo ase skuru ya Nyamira National Polytechnic yagenderere no moroberio yu bukorikia aborokiwa bayia
Samalitano kwa Wilfred Muraya nchini mwalimu wa building as a department ya building and civil engineering and I was in the head of section of masonry wana nchengo waja basane baito bago balisiko bali batarajoin yandi bache batujoinira esenge kitigasi kya maboko isikana kibwate kibesa abantu abange bakuri kibesa sikitaito.
Naitwa Wesley Koech. I'm the deputy principal in charge of administration. We are proud to be part of the TVET sector, and we are also proud that the government is really supporting the TVET in the sense that our youths are being equipped with skills that they are able to use in the field, unlike previously before, where we used to have a lot of knowledge which was theoretical that was given to the learners. But as we talk today, we have a lot of emphasis on practical skills, where the learners are able to get the skills and use it to earn a living.
Korengana no boteneri bwa skuru ya Nyamira National Polytechnic nigo bareiro buya bwa serikali enene yabekire gosira chikosi chobobundi hanene mono maega yo kianania school fees goika ekerengo gya 67,000 ase module asebege serikali kurwe siro yechibesa chero ncha egento kyagenderere korobya ogosomi ase chikosi chobobundi
kare kunde ko takomana ya manyire ga se panora ikire myaka bisi montago se tie nyumba ko tumende sumari ko te kwano ko lakini kero wote school ne yekero au panora kwa ko skills mapema omanyi ande tota yabo sino bundi kwali kwega montali ora ko SBP ya ko kwa le practice na libo SBP ya.
Many of the learners were not able to meet the cost, but with the government coming in to revise the fee structure, we now have a fee structure which has been made such that the parents can afford. The fee has been reduced to 67,000 per module. That translates to 22,000 shillings per term. And out of this, the students are eligible for HELB loan.
Asensemo yaborokiwa abo basoire ase chiskuru chobobundi anemono ase skuru ya Nyamira National Polytechnic abo bagokora ikosi ya ICT nabage kosi yestima nigo bareiro buya bororo ase chikosi chobobundi anemono aso kweri kabene kereba rure ase chiskuru che TVET
wana unanchi na aligereti kana renge kurunso bwana aligereti school yani ama nibna renge na bwana to kora magana kawaya nanchi to kora sana ikase wana nga side kana ko form 4 nga warwani nto kora tianche ngode course electrical and electronics engineering asenge nje bone ke kasi amaboko nere bwate market bona kosia kubona ko kuli uno mwalimu akanya at the end of the month bona konya busino muntu kolite kase ya moko konyo nyole business geta sigete kana ba kwa mwa gole business kanda to anya kama ete sama access lisi bente bintu bya kwani nyona ba kwa ndo connect yo muntu morose asingi njona wa the skills
ya Nyamira National Polytechnic ekerugoje tai so nchina chiko teke ekosi ya ICT so nache esengenchona eyarenge career subject yane ngamwa gocha ase skuru eyo ase ng'encho narigerereti ingarora mbabwate chicomputer.
Stephen Nyarikemone, Ensoko TV, Nyamira National Polytechnic, e county ya Nyamira.
Bien,